A star sits high on the top of a Christmas tree. Dazzling lights and baubles, a sight for your eyes to see, and everything decorated so beautifully, with dozens of presents wrapped delicately and stockings hanging on the mantelpiece. So I have been asked to decorate a mantelpiece, but we don't really have those in the UK. Well, I don't anyway. But I was told that it's fine to decorate anywhere as though you are decorating a mantle. So just imagine that this is a mantelpiece here and take the ideas and use them for yours. So I got this out because I think that this is a great foundation to start with. This is an artificial garland. So I got this material here before. It's actually something I brought for my gnomes, but I felt like this is really nice to put down before I put the garland on top, just to give it that wintry, snowy feel. Next, you're going to take 2 LED candles and put them in the corner. So I've got one here, and we're going to take the other one and place it all the way on the other end. Next, I'm placing these teddy bears in the center. I like how vintage this looks. And directly onto these teddy bears, I've got these bells here, still new, and it's got the price on, so I'm going to take that off. And then all we're going to do is place that under here in the middle, so it hangs down, and that's beautiful. And I'm going to be going with the traditional colours, so I've got these gold leaves here, and they have some wire on, so I'm just going to cut this off and then put them onto this green garland throughout. Okay, so I had 3 in a pack and I just decided on 2, one there and one on the other side there. That's because this had enough with the bells and the teddy in the centre. So far with all of my crafty DIYs for Christmas, I've been trying to go with the vintage vibe, so I'm really trying to make this also vintage, and I picked this up from the thrift store and that really is vintage. The colours, the labels, everything about it. So I'm just going to put that there, and then we're going to put in some trees. So I've got 3 different colours here, gold, white and green, so I'm just going to arrange that inside. So here it is. I did fill it up with a few more. These are in different sizes, so I've got a small one here and then a medium and then the larger ones there. And in this corner here I have added another vintage bear. It's adorable, look, he's even holding a small one. So let's have a look through here. This is what I was looking for, a cloche. A cloche is really nice for vintage and modern decorations, they fit for both. And they're a really simple way just to make something look so stunning. So let's place that here. I also have this sprig with acorns and berries on, so all we're going to do is place that inside. Simple, but it's going to look nice because everything in a cloche does. And this here is another cloche that I've just put together. It's got a robin, some berries and just some greenery. We're going to add this small nutcracker right there, and I have these Noel letters that I have displayed and arranged just like that. Now we're going to add some colour to this green garland by taking some berries and just putting those on there. So you can see that's made it look way nicer. And now I'm going to take some of these luxury pine cones. Honestly, I have no idea why I brought these. It's so simple to do. Go to the park and just spray paint them white or with a snow spray. So I'm trying to fill up any empty spaces, but I just don't want to add too much to it, and I love the natural elements. Again, I'm trying to go as vintage and as simple as possible, but beautiful and effective. So I've added one here. You can see I'm just trying to position them in different distances so it doesn't look boring. So there you go, all throughout. I got this from the thrift store and I just put it on top of the cloche on the neck. I just kind of felt like it was missing something, and this is just beautiful. It's luxurious and it also is vintage. I'm looking inside this box I found from the thrift store, and I found this gorgeous pearl garland, and this is going to be perfect just to finish off that vintage look. For this to fit, I'm going to have to cut it in half so that I can drape one along this side and one along that side there. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. I really love this. I had to play with it a few times because it just didn't go the way that I wanted or drape how I wanted, so I just kept doing it until I had the image that was in my mind. And this is the other side. then I think I'm going to use some of these baubles as well, probably the silver colour. And I'm quite liking these ones, so maybe these as well. So I've put some of the white creamy ones here. It's really nice because they're glitter and they've got like a pink blush to them. So that one there, and one here, and one on the end there. And then coming at the back, I put some silver ones just around here. I think I used four in total, so the one there and the fourth there. It's all about the detail, so I am just adding in some of these dried flowers, and I've put some here. I'm not using much at all, so I've got a little one there as well. Now we're on to the final step, which is our secret weapon to bring all of this to life, fairy lights. And I'm using the one on wires because it's just dainty, they're really small, and you can just move it around and shape it how you like. So make sure that you arrange your fairy lights where you like and turn them on, and then we're finished. And so here it is, all done and completed. I had so much fun making this, I really did. I feel like I can do this for the window displays. I'd absolutely love that job. If this doesn't scream Christmas spirit, I don't know what will. I really love every aspect and every corner. There's nothing that I could say that I would do differently if I did it all over again. I hope you loved this as much as I did. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, and of course if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to stay and click that subscribe button. I hope that this video has brought a smile to your face or some kind of joy. It really did bring me that while I was making it and even editing the video. Let me know how you think I did in the comments below. And this looks so much more magical when the lights are turned up. I kind of feel sad that I just have to dismantle all of this, and I can't really enjoy it sitting on a nice mantle. So those of you who have a fireplace or a mantelpiece, consider yourselves lucky. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh, that's such a Christmassy spirit. That's really good. That's really nice. So Christmassy. It is a magical time of year, isn't it? This really sets the mood.